All right. So this is the top of the. It looks like there's definitely sliding involved here, plate.
Uh-huh.
And this yellow dust seems probably, no, it doesn't smell sulfury.
It's the right color of gold.
So,
It's the right color of gold, and it melts. It does want to catch a fire though when you put a certain temperature on
right.
the chunks. And the dust it just melt down. It does go liquid. You know, the pieces, big pieces, you know, they get other stuff in them.
Right, here's a good plate right here. I didn't bring my rock hammer.
We get a rock hammer. Where you at? Get over here. Don't want to look around. I'm here for right now.
Alright.
This is where we are. We're here for right now.
Now this does have significant weight.
Yeah, they do have weight. Pieces we brought back good. Don't wander around with things right here. Okay.
Rock hammer,
There's
okay.
rock hammer, yeah.
Yeah, let's
And it does got weight, so. Yeah, and it's got fucking calcite.
Let me get right there.
Well, yeah, put the crate here. Oh, you put the crate.
Oh, right.
Well, don't put it there.
you can take out that bag too. We can probably put 40 or 50 pounds in that bag. I can carry that. All right, so looks like we got more of it back here.
Oh, yeah.
You go with your bag or you go with the box?
Box.
Go with the box.
Yeah, for right now.
Well, I don't need the box up here. I just need you to put that right there and catch the stuff I hand down to you.
Okay, okay.
There you go.
Yeah.
Keep going in.
Yeah. Yeah, and there's this one goes in.
Yeah.
That's what we're after.
So we got fresh rat poop in here too. So.
Or they bat poop. The
Well,
bats are here still.
oh yeah. It could be mouses. You never know.
Yeah, they have mice.
Okay, so
Back here.
you probably want to get this too, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.